An old Abbasi has awakened and he is now going to take what is due. कि that wandering shaman जिसने वो drums and वो लेके अपना unknowingly ended up bringing back this demon. Urunai feels his body and his soul being split into pieces और वो pieces बांटे जाते हैं आसपास के spirits में. वो spirits उसकी body and soul consume करते हैं. Spooky Silsila. Welcome to Spooky Silsila.
Hi, I'm Niharika,
And I'm Tanmay.
and we talk about everything haunted,
Exorcist,
alien-y,
illegally,
very, very crimey, very murdery sometimes. Right?
and mythologically.
Any stories that you have for us, we're more than happy to also tell those.
But remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are a small, young, little baby channel. तुम्हें हमारे को nurture करना है. Please.
Encouragement से भीख मांग लिया हमने. जो actually
100 subscribers पे हिमेश रेशमिया बन के आएंगे हम. हिमेश रेशमिया movie review on 100 subscribers. That is the real horror.
the nights will be tandoori again.
Tandoori nights, tandoori nights.
Let's go.
What have you found? What curiosities have you come across this week?
Nothing, absolutely nothing. But I am very, very happy about something that I've noticed within the horror space recently, which is the movies are great. Horror did so well at the Oscars, like with Sinners and, you know, Weapons and everything. ठीक है. Beyond that लग रहा था कि अरे भाई हॉरर कहाँ जाएगा. अभी मैंने हुक्म देखी है एंड ऑब्सेशन देखी है, which is such a छोटा बजट बड़ा धमाका kind of a film.
Another small creator shout out energy is Markiplier ki Iron Lung has amazing reviews.
I highly recommend watching these two films.
Horror fans are eating good.
Watch Hokum, watch Obsession. Highly recommend. And I'm really looking forward to the rest of the movies that are also coming out. This is a great year for horror.
Hopefully मेरी भी कहानी इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग हो कि कोई उस पर मूवी बना दे.
ऐसा क्या बता रहे हो बेटे साइबेरिया के बारे में कि
That is exactly why I picked this story because इतना remote and इतना unusual culture नहीं but unusual that हमको कभी सुनने को मिलता ही नहीं है. And it's a very complex and rich cultural history जिसके बारे में I think जानना चाहिए. Because they are people who are even related to the Turkic people and how they have come to live in Siberia along with the influences that Russia had on their culture.
yeah.
एक कॉम्प्लेक्स जगह की आज मैं एक फोक टेल कंपाइलेशन ही सुनाऊंगा. ऑफन टाइम्स हम ये देखते हैं कि फोक टेल्स आर सो डिफरेंट एंड फ्रॉम सो मेनी वेरियस सोर्सेज की छोटे छोटे स्निपेट्स ही मिल पाते हैं. सो आई हैव पुट टुगेदर अ फ्यू ऑफ दीस स्निपेट्स टू इनटू लाइक उनकी मॉडर्न स्टोरी.
मैं जानना चाहती है काफी डीमंस के बारे में इधर उधर बोले हो. कौन से क्या हो रहा है, कौन से डीमन आए हैं?
So before we get into the story, I can give a little more cultural context. इनके spirituality and beliefs में the earth is split into 3 obvious realms of an upper realm, a middle realm and a lower realm. Which is your very typical heaven, earth, hell kind of a breakdown जहाँ पे you have the good entities, evil entities and बीच में humanity who can choose what to do. अब इनके पर केस में ये होता है कि since there is good there has to be evil and since that balance has to be struck, those entities inevitably introduce chaos so that there can be good in the world.
This sounds a lot like Diablo, by the way. If any of you currently play Diablo, please comment below because I want to play with you.
Rashad issue. The reason I also say that is because our story today will be focused around a shaman.
Yeah.
Shaman.
शमयान तो नहीं है.
क्या है?
Shaman.
I think we just get into it. And our story begins at the house of a young shaman named Urunai. Urunai again dreams of the sunbird. And the sunbird carries Urunai to the lower world. In the lower world, Urunai feels his body and his soul being split into pieces. और वो pieces बांटे जाते हैं आसपास के spirits में. वो spirits उसकी body and soul consume करते हैं. But they in the end bring it all back together and in bringing him back into his own spirit is what now makes Urunai into a shaman. That is the way the shamans of their cult and sect used to come to power. And this was
Through whatever in hell.
through their body being carried to the lower realms by the sunbird. Now, as Urunai is dreaming, he is disturbed by a presence in his room. When he looks and sees who is there, it is the village elder. He's been waiting for Urunai because he wants to tell him about the 5 families that have been waiting for him because they have all suddenly fallen ill.
Okay. Interesting.
Urunai approaches these 5 families. He asks them कि अचानक से क्या बीमारी हुई है. एक घर की एक बच्चा बोलता है कि मेरे को मेरी मम्मी की शक्ल नहीं याद. मैं उनको जब देख रहा हूँ मेरे को वो एक अनजान औरत लग रही है. एक फादर आके बोल रहा कि मेरे को मेरे बच्चों की शक्लें याद नहीं है. मैं अपने घर में घुसा हूँ, मेरे को पता है कि मेरे बच्चे हैं, बट आई फील नथिंग व्हेन आई लुक एट देम. An old man says that he doesn't remember his parents anymore. He's forgotten completely about his family. A grandmother has forgotten about her own daughter and granddaughter. People in this village are beginning to forget their own families and their own people. And Urunai instinctively knows this is not a problem with their memories. If people begin to forget, it is because they are losing parts of their souls. Their memories are tied into their souls.
That's interesting. I don't think I've come across cultures that think of.
Soul as parts.
नहीं, sure, parts तो सुना है, but loss and gain of.
In now hearing अपने आसपास के लोगों का ये problem, Urunai decides to hold a seance, जहाँ पे he puts on his garb, which is covered in chains and in little pieces of metal that would move around and ring as he takes his seance. He brings his own drum because that is the beat that would follow and that would guide him to the spirit realm. Urunai goes to the bedside of a child. वो वहाँ पे जब बैठता है, he takes his drum with him. His partner that is there, a young boy, is holding a chain that is tied around Urunai. Because that is what will tether him to his world.
Yeah.
As Urunai is now going to attempt to go and look for answers in the lower world. He beats the drum. It doesn't sound like a drum. It sounds like a distant calling. And the more he beats, the closer it comes. It is as if the door that is to be opened, वो धीरे धीरे इसके तरफ आ रहा है. And Urunai enters into the lower world. जब वो इस lower world में घुसता है, everything is different. The trees are growing upside down. The roots are to the air and there are no leaves on any trees. वहाँ पे the rivers are flowing to the south. Instead, they are supposed to flow to the north. And जब वो वहाँ पे उन rivers के banks पे पहुँचता है, across the banks of those rivers, he sees an entire vast till the horizons. It was all just the ancestors waiting by the banks of the river. Urunai approaches them and वो उनको पूछता है कि हमारी इस family और हमारी इस clan में हो क्या रहा है? What is causing this? So they tell him that a past deal has come due. And अब जो चीज़ के साथ उस वक्त पे एक वो बहाना क्या बोलते हैं हमारे उसमें इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में उसको क्या बोलते हैं, तुमने उसके साथ एक
गठबंधन, I don't know.
हाँ, something like that. तो she says that an old Abbasi has awakened and he is now going to take what is due.
So demon.
Essentially.
Kind of, yeah.
But Abbasis, if I had to explain it, are creatures more similar to jinns than I would say as a sin. They are entities also created by the supreme beings of those things to have a balance in the world. जैसे हमारे उसमें बोला जाता है ना कि जिन बने जाते हैं smokeless fire, वैसे ही even Abbasis were created as the counter to their good angels and ऐसे वाले entities.
तो वो भी तो बोलते हैं कि जो जिन होते हैं उनकी जैसे जो फितरत होती है, it can be positive or negative. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि
These Abbasis could be entities of illness or bad luck, but they can also be the sort of balancing and power. So there's always like a yin and yang. Urunai from the ancestors only finds out that it's an Abbasi causing this. पर उसको ये नहीं समझ आता कि क्यों हो रहा है. When he comes back out, a lot of the village elders are waiting for him. Some time has passed. And वो जब उससे पूछते हैं कि क्या पता चला, that's all he has for them. And when he asks them कि village में कुछ हुआ, they tell him कि हमारा खाना खराब होना शुरू हो गया है. There is a wild moose that has been wandering around our encampment. And people further have lost memories. And कुछ बच्चों ने ये बोला कि हमको कई बार हमारे जो पास के जंगल हैं उसमें से ड्रम्स की आवाज़ें आ रही हैं. उरुनाई realizes कि this isn't something that has happened naturally. इसके पीछे किसी का हाथ है. The village elders tell him कि तेरे को तेरे सेयान से कुछ नहीं पता चला है. So maybe you have to become better. You will have to now take up your teacher's drums and his garb to learn from him.
Because the way that sentence started was just like too useless.
He's a young this thing,
I know.
right? And बेचारे के साथ हुआ ही है. He couldn't figure out the entire problem. He managed to talk to the ancestors. उसके पूर्वजों ने उसको इतना ही बता पाए because that is all his spiritual capability was. Urunai decides कि first he is going to figure out कि village में आसपास चल क्या रहा है. तो they stay on the lookout with a few of the village elders and hunters, and they see the moose around the place. So they follow it, and the moose also goes back to the forest. When he's going back to the forest, it's a forest that Urunai doesn't visit anymore. बहुत वक्त हो चुका था.
Okay.
And as he's walking through, he realizes he's been to this place before. It is a place where he should have been, and it is a place that is bringing him close. He is hearing a soul call out to him, but he can't place who it is. And as he reaches in the middle of the forest, he sees that a shaman is sitting by stones, and वो वहाँ पे ड्रम बजा रहा है. And वो उसको देखते हैं, and he notices that these guys are here, and he runs away, and so does the moose.
Okay.
So now these guys are very confused कि ये अजीब सा आदमी बीच फॉरेस्ट में बैठ के ड्रम बजा रहा है, एंड वो जानवर भी भाग गया, ये भी भाग गया, चल क्या रहा है. एंड इट क्लिक्स फॉर उरुनाई व्हाई दिस प्लेस इज फेमिलियर. दिस वाज हिज टीचर्स बरियल स्पॉट. His teacher wanted to be buried in the middle of this thing with nature.
Sure.
And that guy ended up taking out his drums and garb from his place.
That's a violation.
Yeah. The drums that the entire village could hear was the drum that the old shaman had used for all the healings he used to do. So now they know he has the drum. But Urunai also knows he needs the drum and the garb. So he hatches a plan. He goes and sits in the forest. Urunai अपना ड्रम बजा रहा है धीरे धीरे. And he has an inkling कि this man will come. उसके पास मेरे टीचर का ड्रम है. That thing is also speaking to him. So ये वहाँ बजा रहा है. And he's already given a plan to the village elders and hunters. वो वहाँ पे ड्रम बजा रहा है. And in the distance he starts hearing ding, ding, ding. Both these guys are slowly communicating with each other in the spirit. And he can hear a rustling in the bushes.
The mongoose.
Moose.
Moose.
The bull moose is there.
Oh damn, I was so far.
You thought it was a mongoose?
I genuinely thought it was a mongoose.
No. नेवला नहीं है.
I was saying नेवला भी भागे वो भी भागे. I'm just saying नेवला कर क्या रहा है?
So Urunai has this shaman talking to him अपने वो drums से. इतने में the hunters end up ambushing the moose and they kill it. The moment they kill the moose, the drum stops. Because Urunai knew this wasn't a regular moose, this was a familiar of that shaman. And he used to send the moose to look out for who was around. So जब ये drums बजा रहा था, वो अपना बजा तो रहा था, but he sent the moose to come and see. And he went, he got back his teacher's
Drum.
yeah. And when he got it back, he knew he could finally now talk to his teacher. because now he had a way to access his ancestors, अपने teacher and उसके भी teachers. Something that he desperately needed to figure out what was happening in the village.
Bro, as his teacher, I would have left it aside instead of being buried with it.
We come back with Urunai to his place. He decides that before he tries to do anything else for the village, उसको अब अपने टीचर से बात करनी पड़ेगी. कमरा पूरा बंद किया जाता है. His partner is there. उसने वो चेन पकड़ी हुई है. He puts on his teacher's garbs. He takes his drum and he begins his ceremony. Again, the drum slowly beats. As the drum beats, Urunai can feel the lower world coming closer. It becomes overbearing, and he soon slips in. As he slips in, he is now in a desolate environment. एक massive mountain के सामने खड़ा है, and within that mountain, in the crack, is standing his teacher. And his teacher just smiles at him. And ये जब उससे पूछता है कि विलेज में ये हो रहा है, मैं क्या करूं? The teacher is seemingly has अपना ही एक एजेंडा. Because जब वो उससे ये सवाल पूछता है, the teacher tells him कि तेरे को जो भी करना है ना, उससे पहले तेरे को खुद को समझना पड़े. There is a lot more that has happened to you that is now causing like a effect down the line. अगर तू खुद को नहीं समझेगा, अपनी स्पिरिचुअलिटी, अपनी स्पिरिचुअल प्रेजेंस नहीं समझेगा, तो जो विलेज में भी हो रहा है तू नहीं समझेगा.
Oh, I thought कि मतलब something that was happening to Urunai was affecting the villagers.
Urunai now has access to his teacher. So he decides to continue the seance. He keeps beating the drum. And the more he's beating the drum, there is another door that is approaching. Urunai has never felt something like this. वो एक इतनी गाढ़ी, इतनी evil presence है. And as he keeps doing this, Urunai is taken back into an old memory. And within that old memory, what Urunai sees is his teacher sitting by the bed of a child, praying to stop the child from losing a bigger part of his soul than he already had. And as he's praying, he is talking not to the child but to the demon. And वो उस demon को बता रहा है कि तूने इससे ये ले लिया है, but not for any barter. तो इसके साथ तू और नहीं करेगा. हमारे बीच अब ये एक बॉन्ड है कि जब तक हमारे लोग अपनी ये प्रोमिसेस याद रखेंगे, तो और कुछ नहीं करेगा. एंड ही देन बाइंड्स दैट डीमन टू हिज ड्रम. या एंड उरुनाई comes back and he realizes कि that wandering shaman looking to learn, जिसने वो drums and वो लेके अपना try to communicate, unknowingly ended up bringing back this demon. That old demon that his teacher had formed a contract with and had formed अपनी एक entire spiritual pact, वो फिर से खुल गया because of this man. So उस wandering shaman ने उस ड्रम से उस अबासी को रिलीज कर दिया बाहर. उरुनाई ने अपने टीचर का ये पैक्ट देखा. And as he was coming back out, he again meets his teacher by the mountain. And वो अपने टीचर से पूछता है कि उस रात को हुआ क्या. And the teacher tells him कि you don't remember. There's a reason you don't remember. Because the Abbasi took that part with him. And because उसने अपने बिना एक ऐसे डील के, बिना बैलेंस के तेरे से वो लिया, I made him promise that he wouldn't do this again. As long as I kept him in my spirit drum. And उस wanderer ने उसके ड्रम से रिलीज कर दिया. But as soon as Urunai hears this and as he's playing the drum, he feels that Abbasi is also around. Since he feels it around, he knows this is who is responsible for what is happening in our village. इसकी ही वो पावर है एंड ही इज द वन नाउ अगेन कलेक्टिंग मेमोरीज, कलेक्टिंग souls, fragments of souls. Urunai finally has all those people who have lost parts of their souls brought to his hut. वो उन सारों को वहाँ बैठाता है. The entire place is sealed. As everyone is sitting in front of him, he lights his candles, he puts out all his artifacts and वो finally अपना drum side रखता है, takes his teacher's drum, right? And puts on the garb again.
उसकी टीचर का.
हाँ.
Okay.
Chain बांधता है. Hands it off because he knows what he's about to attempt is far more dangerous the moment he starts playing. This time there is no teacher that he sees. This time there is no door that is slowly approaching. It seems like he's found himself in a small hut. And it's a hut filled with books. And in books के बीच में एक छोटा सा आदमी बैठा हुआ है. वो जब उस आदमी के पास जाता है and he looks at him, that man is sitting there with a couple of books in his hands and वो उसे बोलता है कि उरुनाय आ गया. तो he's like मेरा वक्त था आने का. And it is time that we talk. But in the garbs that he's wearing, it is not just Urunai. He also carries with him his teacher. So the Abbasi says, हमने पहले भी बात करी है. बोले करी है, पर आज मैं अपने लिए नहीं बात करने आया, और भी हैं. So he sits with this man. अब्बासी को उरुनाई says कि इस बार तूने कई लोगों की सोल्स ली. लाइक हाँ, तुमने अपना डील तोड़ी मेरे से, तो फिर मेरा हक है. दिस इज द लॉ ऑफ आवर वर्ल्ड. इज लाइक आपकी बात गलत तो नहीं है. तो कितने लिए आपने? लाइक इस साल मैंने 5 लिए. तो कहाँ है वो? ये रही. उरुनाई देखता है, ये लाइक यहाँ तो 6 किताबें हैं, तो आपने एक तो कोई गलत ली है. अब्बासी इज लाइक ये एक्यूजेशन तूने सही नहीं करी. आई एम नॉट अ इविल मैन, आई एम नॉट अ डिसऑनरेबल डीमन. माई रोल इन दिस यूनिवर्स इज बैलेंस, एंड माई वॉट आई हैव डन इज नॉट डन बाय एक्सीडेंट. सो ही सेज कि अगर हमने अभी कोई डील करनी है, उरुनाई उसको बोलता है, देन जो तेरे पास ये गलत एक एक्स्ट्रा पड़ी है वापस कर दे. ये लग ठीक है. He opens a book and it's a soul, it's memories, and it goes. But now अब्बासी उसको बोलता है कि मैंने तो ये खोल दी, पर अब what do I get in return? He's like return किस बात का? आपके पास अभी भी 5 है, मैं उनके लिए बात करना है. बोले अब क्या करना है? सो उरुनाई उसको बोलता है कि कुछ नहीं करना है, खोल दो. तो अब्बासी ओपन्स अ बुक एंड अ मेमोरी गोज. अगेन वो उसकी वेट कर रहा होता है एंड ही इज शॉक्ड कि मैंने ये क्यों किया. वो उरुनाई को देखता है, इसलिए कि ये तेरे टीचर का काम है. लेकिन ना, मेरे को याद आ गया है बट तुम भूल गए हो. वो उसको फिर बोलता है खोलो किताब. अगली किताब खोलता है, वो फिर चली जाती है. दिस मैन इज गेटिंग एंग्री कि ये हो क्यों रहा है. उसको फिर बोलता है खोलो. खोलता है, अगली भी और अगली भी. उसने सारी छोड़ दी. पर इस अब्बासी को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ये मेरे को बोल रहा है और हो रहा है. ये जब बोलता है मेरे को उसका वो धड़क सुनाई देती है और मैं कर देता हूं. और ये तो एक बिल्कुल यंग सा शामन है. इसमें इतनी पावर कहां से आई? मैंने तो कभी इसके साथ कोई वो डील नहीं करी, कभी मैंने कुछ करा ही नहीं. एंड उरुनाई बड़े कामली उसके सामने एज अ वेरी यंग चाइल्ड इज जस्ट सिटिंग देयर कि ओके. दैट इज व्हेन इट क्लिक्स फॉर द अब्बासी कि ये एक शामन है. These are not the first times he's been to this world. He has been brought here by the sun world. This world, he is like an emissary. जब ये यहाँ पे पहली बार लाया गया था, इसने अपने रूह के टुकड़े सबको दिए थे. एंड सब ने वापस डाले थे, तब जाके ये उनका और अपना हिस्सा बना। तो अब्बासी ने जब पहली किताब खोल के छोड़ दी, उसने उरुनाई का रूह का हिस्सा उरुनाई को वापस दे दिया, and in doing so unknowingly formed a pact with Urunai because he put back a part of the shaman's soul, and in now doing so had formed a bond with Urunai. But Urunai as a shaman has a responsibility. तो वो उसको बोलता है, मैंने अपने टीचर की मेमोरीज में जो देखा, मेरे को ये भी पता है कि आपने जो किया है गलत नहीं किया, क्योंकि आपकी जो डील थी इट वाज कि अगर हमारे विलेज के लोगों ने अपने एंसेस्टर्स को भूलना शुरू कर दिया तो आप आके उनकी बाकी सारी मेमोरीज ले लोगे। और वो भी एक बैलेंस है कि इफ दे डू नॉट लर्न टू रिस्पेक्ट देयर पास्ट एंड देयर पास्ट के एल्डर्स, देन दे टू शैल फेस कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज इन द फ्यूचर। सो उरुनाई उनको ये अगेन ऑफर करता है कि अब मैं यहाँ का शामन हूँ, ये मेरे टीचर के कपड़े हैं, ये मेरे टीचर का ड्रम है, ये उनको उनके टीचर ने दिया और उनको उनके टीचर ने, आप भी आओ मेरे साथ और हम इस रोल में, इस दुनिया में ये बैलेंस रिस्टोर करेंगे। एंड द अब्बासी अग्रीज टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस, लाइक हिज स्पिरिचुअल एंटिटी।
Interesting.
And now Urunai finally gets to come back to his world from the lower world, where he's brought back with the chain. And वापस आते ही when the elders ask him, वो उनको बस यही बताता है, इन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड अपने पुरानों को नहीं भूलना है, उनके लिए भी ऑफरिंग्स रखो, उनके लिए भी वो करो, क्योंकि अब्बासी के एक्शंस वर नॉट मलिशियस, वो तुम्हारी ही गलती थी, पर ये जो ड्रम है ये मेरे सिवाय कोई नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकता। सो इट इज सेड कि आफ्टर उरुनाई fulfilled his time as the shaman, his drum was kept in the village, but it was often kept there as a symbol of the promise made. And जब भी लोग गलतियां करते हैं या फिर अपने लोगों को भूलने लग जाते हैं, उस ड्रम के जो आयरन रिंग्स हैं, you can hear them slowly move in the wind, because that is a promise that was made by the soul of a shaman.
This reminds me of India mein hi. There are a lot of people who are able to bind entities to themselves.
The only difference I feel is पूरी culture and कहानी में is often of the way balance and आपकी soul के हिस्से as a barter is used.
This is very unique.
It's a very common motif, right? This is an amalgam of like shorter stories that have come together. But these cultures have अपने खुद के epics. And उन epics में अगर आप देखोगे, it is a very curious way that it happens. लोग are bartering with each other with, I will give you a bit of my soul if you restore the balance to our village. And in restoring balance to our village, it is improving their spiritual value, तो उसकी soul की भी value बढ़ रही है. So it isn't simply कि it's the Western deal with the devil वाला logic. कि he made a deal, therefore it is gone. जैसे full ऐसे company merger हो गया. इनके केस में it is it's a part of me, so please take it and give me something in return. You can give yourself.
Like I feel like a give and take element exists even in something like making a deal with like a crossroads demon or something like that. But what is unique about this is the concept of balance, the concept of there needing to be an equilibrium of good and bad, and आप वो कैसे achieve करते हो?
And यहाँ पे जो shamans हैं, their role is like a diplomat between these realms. He will talk to the the lower worlds, he will talk to the upper worlds and make sure that what is happening is done so with a spiritual balance and alignment. इनका काम is like a diplomat very literally.
I was about to say beach ka bandar, but okay.
हाँ.
I don't think things are thought of like that. ह्यूमंस को उतनी ऑटोनॉमी हम लोग नहीं देते हैं बिकॉज लगता है कि ओ नहीं, अगर कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है तो भगवान ने किया है, अगर कुछ बुरा हो रहा है तो डेविल ने किया है. सारा कुछ हमें एक्सटर्नल उससे हो रहा है. हमारा रोल क्या है उसमें पता नहीं. टू ईदर बी एक्सप्लॉइटेड और ब्लेस्ड. यहाँ पे यू बिकम समबडी विद द एजेंसी टू बी लाइक अच्छा ठीक है, इस डील में मैं भी भागीदार हूँ एंड आई एम एबल टू.
ऐसा फुल ब्रोकर बीच में.
हाँ नहीं, दिस इज चेस.
To become somebody in that position, a godly being, the sun bird, had to take his soul to the lower world as like an introduction. And in doing that introduction and sharing his body and soul with everybody, he becomes an emissary of Upar and Niche while representing
The
humans.
middle. Yeah.
So वो एक बहुत सुंदर बैलेंस है which can only come from a place which has very little. साइबेरिया में पौधे, लोग और रिसोर्सेज इतने कम हैं कि एवरीथिंग होल्ड्स अ डेलिकेट बैलेंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू. एंड इट्स ओनली कल्चर्स लाइक दैट दैट कैन ट्रूली सी द वर्ल्ड एज इतना अलाइंड. सब कुछ अच्छा भी होगा पर बुरा भी होगा. तो जो हो रहा है उसमें हम ही हैं जो अच्छा भी करेंगे और जो बुरा भी करेंगे.
सही है, बहुत बढ़िया. I think also I really like the name Orunai. I don't know what it means.
Urunai, I think, meant light giver. That was the end of this story. And आपको और कौन से कल्चर्स की ऐसी कहानियाँ सुननी है और आपको सबसे क्यूरियस एंड डिफरेंट क्या लगा इस स्टोरी के बारे में, प्लीज़ शेयर करनी. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम
We will see you next time.
बाय बाय.